Good morning, everybody. I hope everyone's having a wonderful morning, wonderful day, or wonderful night whenever you're watching this. We are starting off the day like per usual. We're going to go to a coffee shop for a little bit, get some work done, and then we're going to come back and do customer orders. So I will see you all in a bit. And real quick, if you do not know me, I'll make it quick because everyone hears this every single intro, almost every single intro. But my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur. And I've been an entrepreneur my whole life, and in the past couple months I wanted to show my journey and share with you my ups and downs in business. Whether you've already started a business or you want to start a business, I am here to show you the ups and downs. We've had a lot of ups and downs. I just had such a bad voice crack. We've had a lot of ups and downs, and if you go back in my videos, which I'll put the playlist here, you can watch all the videos. There's like 105, so enjoy those. But we have those. And you can see my ups and downs for sure. We've had a lot of high months, and right now we're kind of dealing with a low month, but it's all good. That is business, that is life, that is the season. So hope you guys enjoy the video. We'll be back in a little bit to do customer orders. Alright guys, so I just got back from the coffee shop, and as you can tell, I'm wearing a different shirt and I'm not wearing a hat, and that is because I am fixing my vehicle. One of my cars, the master clutch cylinder went out, so I work on my cars. I don't usually go to a shop, so I'm gonna go get that done right now, and then we'll be back and then do customer orders. I'm ready to do them. I already got the Canva file up and the cut files already, so all I gotta do is print them out. Ooh, which I might do right now while I'm waiting as I'm getting the car fixed. Smart. All right, guys, so yesterday's revenue on eBay was $6.32. On Amazon, it was $337.41, which we're going lower. So $344 is what we made in revenue yesterday. So we are at $7,218 on day 19. We may be at $19,000. But, you know, it is the way it is right now. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see me hit $30,000 a month, please subscribe down below. I make a video every single day until I hit that point. So hope to see you tomorrow. And if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm to help other people find my videos just like you. And I will see you all tomorrow. Peace out.